Hello, I'm Kate from PageFly. Welcome back to our video tutorial on how to use Mailchimp Form in PageFly. Imagine the ability to effortlessly gather email addresses and expand your audience directly from your Shopify page. With PageFly and Mailchimp, it's easier than you think. For more details how to create Mailchimp account, you can check in Mailchimp article. Firstly, let's take a brief look at accessing Mailchimp account. You can visit your Mailchimp account by clicking on the link in the description below. If you haven't had an account, click on Create an Account. If you've had already, simply log in using your username and password. From here, we're going to go onto Audience Dashboard. Choose all contacts, then you can add your contacts here. Afterward, let's proceed to the Sign Up forms. Navigate to the left bar and choose Sign Up Forms. We're going to select Embedded Forms. Start to customize your form with functions in the left bar. Then hit Continue on the top right when finished settings. For the next step to work, copy the action URL from the code text box is required. Come down here to the code and find this part here, Form Action, and we're going to copy everything in between the quotation marks. In this example, here is the code. Okay, so we can head back to PageFly and we can add a Mailchimp form. Now, I will show you how to activate Mailchimp form element in PageFly Page Editor. To access the Mailchimp element, navigate to the Add Element icon. Scroll down and you can see the Mailchimp element in the drop-down menu, or you can find it by searching its name here. Then drag and drop the element you want into the page editor to start using it. After that, paste the copied code into the action URL of the content parameter in the General tab. Now I will introduce you some general configurations of Mailchimp form element. In General tab, you can set up the subscriber details and placeholder text here. Next, you can set up the button type, button text, and icon position for Mailchimp form button. If you want to change the icon of the button, you can select icon and adjust the icon size. You can customize the styling of the Mailchimp form element, Mailchimp input email, and Mailchimp form button individually in the Styling tab. Adjust the font family, font size, and font weight. Change the background color. Feel free to continue styling in the mouse over state. Then save and publish the page. And check Live View to see the result. I will entering an email to see if it works. And here we are, the subscription is confirmed. This is the end of the video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe us on YouTube channel to get more new videos. Our friendly and knowledgeable team is available via live chat 24/7. Thanks for watching.